In this video, I will teach you how to sell your gift card in 2026 without getting scammed. Now let's get in this tutorial. Go to your Play Store or Apple Store and go and download this application called Card Brother. You can see hello Card Brother. Search Card Brother and it will bring you this application. Do you understand? So after it brings you this application, download it and open it. The reason why I say without getting scam is this. I've made a video about this application for years and a lot of people join. They register with this app and they have been using it. And none of them has ever come on my channel to complain about this app. Do you understand? So they don't scam people and they are very legit. So this is what you are going to do. Click on sign up this side. So after you click on sign up, it's going to look exactly like this. And this is what you are going to do. One more important thing is, make sure you click on the subscribe button to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Turn on your notification because whenever I drop another video, YouTube is going to notify you. Then click on the like button to like this video and also share it for more people to see. If you have any question after you finish watching this video, write it in the comment section. Do you understand right now? And I will answer you. Now let's keep it going. Now put your name here. Put your second name here. Select your country here, Nigeria, and choose either phone number or email. Which one do you want to use to register? Put your phone number. Make sure it is an active phone number. Put your phone number here. And after that, you can see verification code. Leave it first and jump to where it says password. Put your password like this. Make sure you start with capital letter, hard number, and any symbol at the back, any symbol at all. Do you understand right now? The next thing you are going to do is to confirm your password. Write your password here again. And you can see this invitation code. Put this invitation code R2N8QH. Write this invitation code there. Because if you write it there, they are going to give you a welcome bonus and they are going to reward me as well. But if you didn't use it, you will not get any welcome bonus and they will not reward me. Do you understand? So please use it. Both of us can get benefits. Mark this side. You can see this side that say by continue you agree to Card Brother. Mark it like this, and also after that come back to where it says verification code and tap on send. Immediately you tap on send, they are going to send codes to your phone number or your Gmail, depending on which one you use. Then quickly before it expires, put that code here and click on submit and your account will be registered successfully. Do you understand right now? So now I'm going to log into my own account and show you step by step how to sell your gift card and how to withdraw your money to your bank account without getting scammed. Now let me log in and we continue. This is my account. I've logged in right now. And now to sell your gift card, this is how it is. You click on sell. You can see sell down here. You can see sell here. Home, chat, sell, transaction, me. Click on sell. And you can see select card category. Click on change. Then it will pop up like this. Then scroll down to see the type of gift card you want to sell. Let's use Steam card. No, let's use Racer Gold as an example. Then you can see country. Select the country of your gift card. I'm going to select USA card. Then the balance of your gift card. Let's say my gas is $100. If it is 150, write 150. Do you understand? And now you can see quantity. If your gift card is 2, let's say you want to sell 2 cards, which is $100. You understand? $200. So you plus it, which means I want to sell 2 cards worth of $100. That is 200 in total. Do you understand right now? If it is 1, leave it at 1. If it is 3, put it 3. Do you understand right now? So the next thing is physical card. You can see physical and code here. You can see code here. You can see physical here. Do you understand? Physical card is a gift card that someone purchased at a physical store. While code is a gift card that someone purchased online on a website. So they will send the code of that gift card to that person's Gmail. That is C-code. Physical card is the common one. Then you can see speed. Leave it on fast. Then you can see code. You can put the code of your gift card here. The code of your gift card. After that, you can click on submit. Or if you have the image of your gift card, you click on this side. You click upload from gallery and you select, let's say this is the code. You select it right like this and you upload it. You can see it as upload. Do you understand right now? You can see direct payout. If you click direct payout, they are going to pay to your bank account direct. They will not pay into this application. Do you understand? But now that you have not added your bank account, let's continue. Just leave it like this and you click on confirm. After you click on confirm, in few minutes, it will say success and your money will be available in your balance like this. Do you understand? Now the next thing you are going to do right now is to come to home. You can see home. When you click on me, I say home, me. You can see home, chat, sell, transaction, me. Click on me. When you click on me, you can see wallet, friends, rank invitation. Click on wallet. Do you understand? And you can see add bank card. Click on add bank card. Select the bank you are using. Write the name on your bank account and write your account number. Then click on either phone or mail. Do you understand? And they are going to send, after you click on that, you can see verification code. You will tap that send and they will send code to your phone number or your Gmail. Put that code here and click on submit. Do you understand? Immediately you click on submit, your bank will be added successfully, just like my own. You can see my OP. Now to withdraw, you can see that down here. You can see withdraw down here. Click on it and write the amount you want to withdraw. After that, you can see confirm to withdraw down here. Click on confirm to withdraw and your money will deliver to your bank account, guys. This is a step-by-step how to sell your gift card in 2026 without getting scammed. You understand? Make sure you like this video, share it for more people to see, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates. If you have any question, write it in the comment section, guys, and I will see you in another video.